for play of the day.
We are making today something very exciting, a beach postcard.
That's right, we're making beach postcards today, everybody. Now, if you head over to the play space for our play of the day, you will see all the cool instructions that you need to make your beachy postcard. I've gathered some materials together, everything that we need. It's a really easy one to do today. Postcards are phenomenal. I'm very excited to create something that we can send to somebody else. There's actually a little template that you can use, but some things that you're going to need for this activity that we're about to do. Grab yourself some paper, or you could use some cardboard. I know that Team Lilypad are going to be using some cardboard. Thanks, Team Lilypad. I've got some scissors, I've got some pens ready to go. I've even got some decorating bits. I've got some pom-poms. I'll show you what they're going to do later on my postcard, and some yarn, lots of different things that you can use. What have you got, Captain Snazzy, for your postcard?
Well, I have got some scissors, some glue, some textures and pencils, and just a piece of paper. That's all I've got. So I haven't printed out my template, but I can make it with just any piece of paper.
That's right. Well, if you take a look on the Play of the Space area, you'll find this little template that we've put up. Postcards generally look like this, don't they, Snazzy? They got a one side for your message, and then the side on the right that has all the lines, that's usually where you write the addresses down. And you've got a little box there for the stamp, which is very, very cool. I've gone ahead and printed out the template, so I'm going to be using the template. However, Snazzy, it's a bit flimsy, so I'm actually going to get this yellow cardboard because it is beachy week. I'm going to glue my piece of paper onto the cardboard and then cut it out.
That is a great idea. Well, I have got just a plain piece of paper, so if you're the same, all you need to do is take your piece of paper, fold it in half. It's good if you can fold it so you can meet up all the edges, and that way you know it's definitely in half. Crease it down the bottom and then cut it, or you could, so I could cut it here and have two bits and make two different postcards. But just to make it extra strong, like Captain Julie was saying, I might just glue it down. That way it's like double the thickness of a normal piece of paper, and it'll be double the strength.
That's right. Postcards are best sturdy, aren't they? Because they go in the mail like all of the other envelopes do, and they're usually nice and sturdy. But postcards are super funky. You don't have to unwrap an envelope to get to it. The message is right there.
I know, and they have such cool pictures on them as well.
Now, Team Lilypad is letting us know that they went to the beach yesterday. That's so exciting. I wonder if you see all the things that I'm about to do on my postcard, Team Lilypad. You have to let us know what you did at the beach.
Yeah, because I would like some ideas for mine. So we're making these beach postcards, but I haven't actually been to the beach in a really long time. So let me know what I should draw on the front of my beach postcard so that it shows them I had a great day at the beach.
You could do your postcard of two different orders. Now, in the play of the day, it says the next step would be to decorate the front. However, I'm going to use some 3D decorations that'll make it a bit hard to write on. So I'm going to skip ahead, and I'm actually going to start by writing you'll see there a little example of the thing that you'd like to say, a little message to who you're going to write your postcard to. Maybe you're writing a postcard to someone in your family. Maybe you're writing it to your pet. Maybe you're writing it to your favourite tree out the front of the hospital. That would be a really cool postcard.
That would be a really cool postcard. It sounds like Lorenzo's making a cool postcard as well. Lorenzo's got all of their materials ready to go. And Lorenzo has suggested maybe some palm trees for me to draw on mine.
That sounds cool. I wonder if there's palm trees sticking out of the beach. Who knows? Lorenzo is saying as well that I think it's a good idea that I am gluing down my postcard onto some cardboard to make it smoother. Thank you so much, Lorenzo. It does feel quite smooth now. I do appreciate your feedback. If you have any other ideas, anybody watching, send it through right now because it's not too late. I haven't started decorating. It's time for my message. Who are you writing your postcard to, Snazzy?
Or I think I might write my postcard to you, Captain Chucky.
Hey, Captain Snazzy, guess who I'm writing mine to? You can't quite see it. Can you see that now? Dear Snazzy!
That is so cool. Okay, so I want to write. I've drawn a stamp box for my stamp later, and I've drawn some lines just like the template had there. Here we go. Dear to Captain.
Uh-oh, my message is getting a bit smudgy.
Uh-oh.
Captain Snazzy, I'm going to need to post this to you. Remind me, it's such a big planet. There's just so many of us up here, Captain Starlights. Whereabouts are you living again?
I just live behind the glitter waterfall. Yes, you can call it Glitter Cave if you like.
So on this side of the postcard where all the lines are, that's where you're going to write where you're sending it to and where you're sending it from. Behind the waterfall.
And where should I send yours, Captain Chucky?
I live in the trampoline box.
Lovely.
Trampoline box. I spend my days jumping on it until I learn. I'm trying to learn the ability to fly.
That would be so cool. Surely it wouldn't take long because you jump so high.
Thanks. Okay, fantastic. Snazzy glasses. The beach. Alright. Now, if you've got your little square up here too, this is usually where you put your stamp. You could draw in a picture of whatever you'd like. I'm going to draw in a picture of a chicken. That makes the most sense, I think.
That sounds really cool. Oh, I have to think about what my stamp is going to be. Maybe I should do a palm tree like Lorenzo said. Lorenzo says that's so weird. We're both writing cards to each other.
Let us know who you're writing your letters to. We'd love to know. I know Team Lilypad's doing a postcard as well. Lorenzo, who are you writing your postcard to? I've written my message, so I'll read it out to you all. Dear Snazzy, you are snaztastic. Keep grooving. Please may I borrow your snazzy glasses for the beach chook. Sending to Behind Glitter Waterfall from my trampoline box.
Wow, that's so cool. I love that. Thank you so much, Captain Chucky. I can't wait to receive that. It's nice even if you know that mail is coming to when it gets to you. You're like, ah! All right, I have got my message here. Dear Captain Chucky, you are so good at jumping. Let's go to the beach. From Captain Snazzy. And it's directed to Captain Chucky in Trampoline Box.
It'll get to me. They'll find, the post people will find the trampoline box. You can't miss it. It's a big box, a big cube with a circle out the front. My friends, I just spend my days jumping up and down. Now that I've done my message, I'm going to start to decorate it. Now it's going to be a beach scene. Lorenzo is saying that they're going to give theirs to the grandma. That's such a great idea. Awesome. And also, she doesn't go to the beach. It will remind her of going. Lorenzo, what a beautiful idea. That is fantastic. I think your grandma is going to love that postcard. Now, we're at the decorating of our postcard part. I put some PVA glue in this little glue holder, and I've got some blue yarn here. Maybe you could guess what I'm going to do with this blue yarn, Captain Snazzy. It has something to do with...
When you make a wish.
Close. If you are maybe on a boat when you've lost your oars and you're out in this, you might be making many wishes for the tide to take you back to shore, because I'm actually going to make some waves with these bits. So I'm just going to put some glue on the postcard there, and I'm just going to get the wool and make it all wavy and glue it on. How cool is that?
That sounds so cool. I love that idea. I'm drawing a palm tree from Lorenzo. I've got my sand and a bit of water there. And Lorenzo's also suggested a jellyfish. Oh, I think that's what they were thinking maybe you were doing with your yarn. They said jellyfish or making waves. You are absolutely right, Lorenzo. Well done. And
Good job.
hang on,
Very
oh, sorry, Tamika's just said spider behind me, behind you, Captain Snazzy, a spider. Where?
Oh, Captain Stassi, check everywhere. Check behind. Check down. Is it in your hat?
I look around. Is it up? Is it in my cape? Is it
Hang
in my cape?
Has it jumped into my frame? Oh gosh, spider. No, it's not in the glue. Is it in the pens?
I don't know. Oh, is it in the postcard?
I
It's
think
not
you-
there.
I think you're safe, Captain Stassi. I can't see any spiders. That was a close call. Ay. Now, I'm going to move on to my pom-poms, because we're going to try and power through this. I'm going to put this right here on the sandy part, and I'm going to draw us captains. What do you think we're going to be doing with this pom-pom?
Are we playing a game with it? Like volleyball.
Guess what, Captain?
What?
You're correct. We're playing volleyball with it. Big moon boots. And this is a little starlight, Captain. This is you, Snazzy, and we've got a little net. That's the volleyball. Fantastic. Check that out. There's
That
the water. You're on the sand. Volleyball.
That is so cool. Oh, I love that postcard. I'm going to probably put it on my fridge when it arrives.
Yes, that's you, Snazzy.
Very cool. Well, maybe I should draw some chickens at the beach for you, Captain Chucky.
Yes, please. And now I'm going to add something super funky and super cool. It's a little flying crab. Check this out. There's a lot happening. How cool is this postcard?
That is absolutely amazing.
You are playing volleyball with a crab, Captain Snazzy.
I love that. I'm so excited. And there is a chicken at the beach having a great time. Maybe on their beach towel.
Lorenzo has asked for a jellyfish, so I'm going to get my purple marker out and I'm going to draw a little jellyfish here in the water. And then I'm going to say I'm feeling very good about my postcard there.